people, welcome to my channel. My name is Larissa and today we've got lots to do. As you can tell from the title, it is my birthday, so today we're gonna be prepping for that, doing some DIYs. So I'm thinking something around here. Now I don't quite know. That is that ball, okay? That ball is doing that. Anyways, thinking like black sparkling curtains coming down here. Maybe move this here so we can put like food and stuff. So I'm thinking I hang this and then I hang the curtains. I've never used the curtain ones, and my wall is definitely very textured. So let's see how that works. By the way, yesterday those arrived right on time because the birthday is tomorrow. A little bow moment, and here you do a little bow as well with some pearls, fake ones, but you get the vibe. If you know me, you know my Christmas tree is still up, but it's time to take her down. Now that we moved our tree out of the way, I want to move that tree there, well, I guess it's a plant, that plant over here. So I got some plant plate or whatever that is. I say we start with that plant. It is really heavy and we have to bring her right here. So let's help me. Hopefully I don't break my back before turning 30. Let's put you here. I don't know. What I don't know is how I'm gonna bring that. You know what? I think I have an idea. Woo! Okay, we got the first part done. You know what? It's time to put the hair up. Here's how it's looking. Now I'm gonna wait like 30 minutes and then I'll hang it. Got this pack from Amazon. It's got like the happy birthday, the 30. I'm gonna make the little curtain here. So the cake stand that I have is huge. So what I'm thinking is using my fruit bowl as a cake. Oh, it fits perfectly. I got some napkins that has like RIP to my 20s. Got some candles and got the cake topper thing. I made those glasses for us to use. I'm gonna place it here. Let me show you how I made them. I got a pack of sunglasses on Amazon and a window marker, and I just put a bunch of phrases just to be cool, like for the pictures. But people can actually remove that just by like using water, and then they can have some sunglasses. I've got those funky, what do you call this? Candle holder. They're really like crazy. You know what? I'm thinking all black, all black. So I have another fruit bowl. So maybe put this upside down like that. And then the cake stand thing. I wanted to have those big numbers on the table, so I got those numbers from Hobby Lobby. I spray painted them all black, and then I used this spray Mod Podge to just glue a bunch of glitter to it. And that's when I noticed that this was definitely, obviously, not gonna stand by itself. So I went back outside and I used a piece of scrap wood. I just painted it and I hot glued the numbers to the wood. I'm thinking we put this one right here. It's the next day. So let's put the curtain up. And now we put this sign up. I'm just putting it against the little I don't know if you saw, but I have like a screw here from the art that I had. So I'm just basically hanging it from it. There it is. At first, the idea was to go to an Airbnb with some friends for my birthday, but we ended up not doing it. But my thought was making a little personalized cup and a koozie for each one so that they could use it during the trip and also just take home. I used my Cricut to cut both the permanent vinyl and also the heat transfer one for the koozie. I added each one's name to their cup, and then for mine, I went a little extra, and on the back I added RIP to my 20th, just to be something to remember the party. For the koozies, I did pretty much the same thing, but I used heat transfer paper to make something a little more permanent. This was a super simple process. I just preheated a koozie, put the name, and then heated it for 20 seconds. Here comes the cake! I ordered this plain black cake at the supermarket. I'm not a baker, so I just ordered that. I had an idea of what I wanted, so I got some stuff from Amazon, Hobby Lobby. So let's decorate this cake. Since I've never done this, I decided to go simple. I put black glitter all over it, and I got those roses from the wedding section at Hobby Lobby, and I just stuck them into the cake. And if you think we're done, you're wrong. I also got this toilet paper, a little special something for the bathroom, and I just love it. And now that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on my next video.